Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. Meet the SwannBuddy 4K Video Doorbell, a smart home security device designed to keep your front door protected and connected. It features crisp 4K video for clear visuals, smart motion detection to alert you of activity, and two-way audio so you can speak with visitors from anywhere. Whether you're home or away, it helps you monitor deliveries, guests, and unexpected visitors with ease. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the SwannBuddy 4K doorbell, chime speaker unit, 32GB micro SD card, USB to USB-C charging cable, mounting bracket, mounting screws and hardware, AA batteries for chime unit, operating instructions, theft deterrent sticker, technical specifications. The SwannBuddy 4K Video Doorbell delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD video with a 165-degree vertical field of view, letting you clearly see every visitor. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with a wireless range of up to 65 feet. Powered by a rechargeable 6,500 mAh lithium battery, it can be recharged via USB-C or connected to your existing doorbell wiring, supporting 5 volts DC or 12 to 24 volts. AC night vision reaches up to 16 feet, enhanced by True Detect heat-sensing motion detection. Two-way audio with microphone and speaker allows clear communication up to 16 feet. Storage includes secure cloud options and a 32GB micro SD card. The system features an indoor Wi-Fi chime with 6 sound options, powered by 2 AA batteries. It integrates with the Swann security app and Swann Shield voice assistant for smart home control. Built for both indoor and outdoor use, it is IP56 rated and operates in temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Product features. Experience crystal clear visuals with stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, allowing you to see every visitor, package, or activity at your front door. The expansive 165-degree vertical field of view captures a broader area, so nothing goes unnoticed, giving you full control over your home's security. Equipped with advanced heat-sensing True Detect technology, the doorbell accurately identifies people and objects, minimizing false alerts from pets or passing cars. With night vision up to 16 feet, it ensures your home stays protected even in complete darkness, providing reliable monitoring around the clock. Communicate directly with anyone at your door using the built-in microphone and speaker. The two-way audio feature allows clear conversation up to 16 feet, so you can greet guests, provide instructions to delivery personnel, or warn unwelcome visitors, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Designed to withstand the elements, this IP56 rated doorbell is perfect for both indoor and outdoor installation. It operates reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring long-lasting performance and year-round security no matter the weather conditions. App connection. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Swann Security, and download the app. Before opening the app, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on so the doorbell can connect smoothly. Sign in or create a new account to get started. Make sure the doorbell is powered on. In the app, tap Add Device and follow the prompts to put the doorbell in pairing mode. Select your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The LED ring on the doorbell should blink slowly blue, indicating it's ready to connect. Once the doorbell connects to your Wi-Fi, the app will confirm the connection. You can then name your device for easy identification. After that, you can view live video from your front door, get real-time motion alerts, and use two-way audio to speak with visitors directly from your smartphone. How to install. Before mounting, make sure the location has strong, reliable Wi-Fi. Stream live video on your mobile while testing different heights and angles to get the best field of view. For wood surfaces, screw the bracket directly using the included screws. For masonry, use the provided wall anchors. Clean all surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and let them dry. Apply the supplied rectangular double-sided tape to the bracket, press firmly for 60 seconds, and let it cure for 24 hours before attaching the SwannBuddy. Use a voltmeter to confirm the power source is 12 to 24 volts AC. Loosen the terminals on the doorbell, attach the included wires, remove pre-cut insulation, connect to your existing AC power using wire nuts, and tighten the terminals. Clean the mounting surface with isopropyl alcohol, let it dry, apply the square double-sided tape to the chime, press firmly for 60 seconds, then attach the unit. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the SwannBuddy 4K features a compact IP56 rated weather-resistant design with a built-in rechargeable battery, allowing flexible indoor or outdoor installation. The ring-wired Doorbell Pro, however, has a slimmer metal faceplate design but requires permanent hardwired installation to an existing doorbell system. The SwannBuddy 4K records in 4K resolution and offers a wide 165-degree vertical field of view for full coverage of your doorway. The ring-wired Doorbell Pro also delivers 4K video, but provides around a 140-degree by 140-degree viewing angle with enhanced zoom and advanced motion detection features. The SwannBuddy 4K runs on a rechargeable 6,500 mAh battery and can also be connected to existing doorbell wiring if needed. In contrast, the ring-wired Doorbell Pro does not have a battery option and must be powered continuously through a 16 to 24 volt AC hardwired connection. The SwannBuddy 4K supports local storage with an included 32GB microSD card along with optional cloud backup through the Swann Security app. Meanwhile, the ring-wired Doorbell Pro mainly relies on cloud storage through the Ring app and offers additional smart features like advanced motion alerts and smart home integration. Pros and cons. The SwannBuddy 4K video doorbell delivers crystal clear 4K video with a 165-degree wide field of view, letting you see every visitor or package at your doorstep. It features True Detect heat sensing motion alerts, two-way audio for direct communication, and local storage with a micro SD card, giving you flexible and reliable monitoring. Built for all weather conditions, the IP56 rated design works indoors or outdoors, and it can run on a rechargeable battery or existing doorbell wiring. Additional conveniences include an indoor chime, mobile app control, and an AI voice assistant for automated responses. On the downside, night vision can be less sharp, live video may have a small delay, and some advanced cloud features require a subscription. Battery life may vary with frequent alerts, and it has limited smart home integration. Occasional false motion alerts, slight audio lag, and installation may need adjustments depending on your surface, while overall performance relies on a stable Wi-Fi connection. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.